bagong Pasig River, malinis at masigla sa lagi ng bansang puno ng halagaan.
Naisip namin itong pag-i-involve ng mga kabataan natin to start the year with a creative mind.
Ayala Land supports this event because it's aligned with the thrust of Ayala Land of sustainability and building our communities with what nature has provided.
In this way, maging success po yung pag-improve po ng Pasig River.
Yung mga mukha po, natutuwa po sila na magiging malinis na po yung Ilog Pasig.
Yung mga may pili ditong mananalo, yun yung ilalagay sa mural painting along the Pasig River.
Congratulations to PRRC, and I hope that you continue doing a great job in promoting the rehabilitation of the Pasig River.
Lahat tayo magtulong-tulong para buhayin muli ang ating mga kadubigan.
With your help, the river will flow with life again.